We are Project 1882, a global movement dedicated to making a difference for the animals that are most exploited and suffer the worst. We are here to give them a voice and defend their rights. The suffering inflicted upon animals from the moment they are born to their final breath is a stark reminder of the urgent need for change. Our vision is crystal clear, a future where animals are not seen as commodities, but recognized as sentient beings, deserving of dignity, respect, and compassion. Now, we're taking our mission on the road across Europe. This is For the Animals Eurotour 2024. We will confront the harsh realities of the animal welfare crisis in the European Union. We are not just on a journey. We are on a mission, and we need your support. Join us as we travel through Europe, sparking conversations, raising awareness, and igniting change. Together, we can create a future where animals are valued, protected, and free from suffering.